Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add keywords in SEMrush in 2024. So whether you are tracking your site's SEO performance or you're planning a new campaign, adding and tracking keywords is essential. So I'll guide you through the process or a step-by-step process on how you can manage your keywords effectively and gain insights into your rankings. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm going to use Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Here, basically, you can go to semrush.com. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page, which is going to be the home screen and main screen. You can go to the top right corner, click on login to log into your account if you have one. If you don't, click on sign up and set to create an account. And of course, you'll be able to use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself in here. Here, basically, you already have access to the SEO dashboard, or as an example, you can open this SEO dashboard where you'll start having, as an example, all the tools necessary for you. So as you can see here on this list panel again, you'll find this keyword research where you can find keyword overview, magic tool, strategy builder, tracking, and of course, like position tracking, organic traffic insights. And here, as an example, you'll find like domain analytics, position tracking, site audits, all like, as you can see, they have a lot of tools, like actually a lot of tools that you can use to add maybe keywords. So now we'll need, as we said, to access the keyword manager. So if you go to, basically it's going to be here, under this keyword research, as you can see, this is what's normally we want. And here, as an example, you can go to the top right corner, click on create a project, example, so limits reach, create projects, upgraded plan. Okay, so we'll need that, as it seems, upgrade our plan. Of course, you'll be able to try it, as we said, like for 7 days. I don't know if I said this before. And you'll be able to, as we said, now I said this, so to try it for 7 days. Or you, after that, of course, you can go and start getting your plan. This is the price if you want to pay monthly. If you want to pay yearly, as an example, it's going to be this price per month. But it's going to be like if you pay yearly for a whole year once, you'll get it like a 17% off, which is good, I guess, in your case. So basically, you'll have to go to the top price corner if you already have plan. Click on create a projects. From there, as an example, you can start creating your new keyword lists. As an example, you can start giving or give the list of descriptive name, such as your target keyword group or project name. And yeah, from there, you'll see an input field where you can start typing or pasting keywords. You can enter the keywords that you want to track or research, separate each keyword by comma, enter, I guess, or semicolon, which you can also separate them by a new line. Then you can click on add to list, add keywords to SEMrush suggestions, import keywords as example from a CSV file if you want to, and save and analyze those keywords. Then use the keywords and other tools as an example. So I don't know. Let me just go. I'll try to log in into another Google account. I guess I have a lot of Google accounts, so let's just go here and try to do it. So just refresh. Okay, log in. I'll use, I don't know. I'll use this tool, this account. Click on continue in here. So it seems, yeah, I'll just go and create an account. I don't know. I've never, it's only me. I don't know. Skip trial. And yeah, go to this list panel, as we said, or go and click on SEO dashboard. Here you'll find yourself basically in here, as we said. And of course, you can start optimizing your websites, etc., by entering your websites. You can go to the keyword overview, magic tool, everything as example, that's I talked about before, as you can see. So position tracking, organic traffic insights, and a lot of stuff that you'll be able to use. You can even use other tools for competitive research, for example, traffic analytics, organic research, keyword gap, as example, backlink link gap, as example. You have other tools for link building like backlinks analytics, backlink audits, link building tools, bulk analysis, site audits, as example. some listing management example. Here also the map tracker or rank tracker. Okay, this is on local. I don't want this. So yeah, and here. So listing management, as we said, take you to local right away. So it seems on local. So SEO content and template, on page SEO checker, and also like the log file analyzer. As you can see, so a lot of things that you can use basically for or SEO tools that you can use. Other, of course, than adding your like keywords. So basically, as we said, to add your keywords, you'll need to start projects as example. So you'll need to go and create a project. Of course, to create a project, you will need first of all, so project lets you keep all your website data in one place and track your progress. So you'll need to enter your website name first of all. So just example here, enter like the website, then click on start now. And yeah, of course, now you can start, for example, creating your project as we said. So yeah, it seems like I'll not be able to do it even here. You'll need basically a plan. And as you said, as a summary, I'll just tell you a summary, of course, to how to add keywords because I talked about too many stuff in here. So you'll need to go and click on add, create a project. Basically, you'll need to go and access the keyword manager tool. In there, you'll need to go and create a list or projects. From there, of course, you can start creating or give the list like some descriptive name, first of all, such as your target keyword group or project name. Then start adding keyword manually. Type your keywords or paste them as example if you have them copied. Make sure your keyword is separated by comma, by semicolon or space. Not space, not space. Space is not working. So a new line. And yeah, you can add the list, add the keywords in SEMrush suggestions. If you don't like have a predefined list, you can do that. You can basically click on this keyword magic tool in this list panel. Tool to discover the keyword relevant to your niche. Search for some seed keyword, and then filter an example and source based on metrics like volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and competition. And you can select, of course, the keyword that you want to add and click Add to Keyword Manager. And you can also import some keywords from a file, a CSV file. And yeah, once you've done, you'll have to save and analyze your keyword lists and use the keywords in other tools as well if you want to. From your keyword manager, you can export them to in other areas, of course, of SEMrush, such as SEO auditing, position ranking, and content optimization. So in here's example, once we go there, I'll just type like a random keyword in here. So recipe example, just search for as example in the magic keyword. And here we can simply start adding it to the list. So add keyword to list. Of course, you'll have to choose which one. So example, maybe I'll just go and select this one, click on add. As you said, for me, I'll not be able to do this because I'll need to do some pricing and plans and I'll need to basically upgrade my plan. But for you, you'll be able to do it and you'll be able to add your keyword in SEMrush. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.